Aircraft cabin. The heart of passenger air travel. The aircraft cabin is the passenger compartment of an airplane where travelers spend most of their journey. Modern aircraft cabins are designed to provide maximum safety, comfort, and convenience, while maintaining efficient use of space and weight. Aircraft cabin overview. The cabin extends from the front passenger section to the rear of the aircraft. It contains passenger seats, overhead storage compartments, lighting systems, air conditioning outlets, emergency equipment, galleys, and lavatories. The primary functions of the aircraft cabin are passenger transportation safety, during flight comfort and convenience, emergency evacuation capability, cabin crew operations. Main parts of an aircraft cabin. Passenger seats. Passenger seats are the most important cabin components. They are designed to provide comfort while ensuring passenger safety during all phases of flight. Seat features: seat belts, adjustable backrests, tray tables, seat pockets, entertainment screens. On many aircraft, USB charging ports. Overhead bins. Overhead bins are storage compartments located above passenger seats. Purpose: store carry-on baggage, keep aisles clear, improve cabin safety, prevent loose items during turbulence. Passengers are instructed to ensure overhead bins are securely closed before takeoff and landing. Passenger service unit. The passenger service unit is located above each seat row. Components include reading lights, air vents, cabin speakers, flight attendant call button, no smoking sign, fasten seatbelt sign. These features allow passengers to control personal comfort and communicate with cabin crew. Aircraft galley. The galley is the onboard kitchen where flight attendants prepare food and beverages. Galley equipment: ovens, beverage makers, food carts, storage compartments, refrigeration units. Despite its compact size, the galley efficiently supports hundreds of passengers on long flights. Lavatories. Aircraft lavatories are specially designed restrooms located throughout the cabin. Features: vacuum toilet systems, wash basin mirrors, waste containers, smoke detectors. Modern aircraft use lightweight and efficient lavatory designs to maximize passenger comfort. Emergency exits. Emergency exits are strategically positioned throughout the aircraft. Purpose: rapid evacuation during emergencies, multiple escape routes, enhanced passenger safety. All exits are marked with illuminated signs and emergency lighting systems. Cabin environmental control system. Aircraft cabins are equipped with advanced environmental systems. Cabin pressurization. Commercial aircraft typically cruise at altitudes above 35,000 feet. At these heights, outside air pressure is too low for humans to breathe comfortably. The pressurization system maintains safe cabin pressure, ensures passenger comfort, reduces fatigue, supports normal breathing. Air conditioning. The cabin air conditioning system controls temperature, regulates humidity, filters cabin air, provides fresh airflow. Modern aircraft completely refresh cabin air several times per hour. Cabin lighting. Modern aircraft use LED lighting systems. Types of cabin lighting: boarding lights, reading lights, mood lighting, emergency lighting, night flight lighting. Mood lighting helps reduce passenger fatigue and improve comfort on long-haul flights. Cabin crew responsibilities. The cabin crew plays a vital role in flight operations. Main duties: passenger safety, emergency procedures, safety demonstrations, food and beverage service, medical assistance. Passenger support. Flight attendants receive extensive training to handle both routine operations and emergencies. Aircraft cabin safety equipment. Every aircraft cabin contains important safety equipment. Fire extinguishers, first aid kits, oxygen masks, emergency slides, life vests, emergency flashlights, portable oxygen bottles. This equipment helps protect passengers and crew during unexpected situations. Modern cabin innovations. Today's aircraft cabins feature advanced technology such as in-flight entertainment systems, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB charging ports, power outlets, larger overhead bins, improved noise reduction, enhanced air filtration systems. These innovations make modern air travel safer and more comfortable than ever before. The aircraft cabin is a highly engineered environment designed to provide safety, comfort, and efficiency. From passenger seats and overhead bins to emergency exits and environmental control systems, every component serves an important purpose. Understanding the aircraft cabin helps passengers appreciate the complex technology and design that make modern air travel possible. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.